Welcome to Swift Academy. Ever dreamt of bringing an app idea to life? Everyone can code, is your answer. This course dives deep into iOS development tools, foundational programming concepts, and key industry standards. As you advance, you'll take on hands-on exercises, craft apps from the ground up, and cultivate an app developer's mindset. Throughout this journey, you'll work on 5 unique projects. Starting with a straightforward app that alters the screen's background color, you'll eventually develop a sophisticated shopping app interfacing with a web server. And once you've mastered our course projects, the floor is yours to develop a personal project, moving from design to final development. Whether you're learning independently or under a mentor's guidance, we recommend diving into each lesson, lab, and project to hone every skill. For those with a tutor, remember, they might approach different course sections in varied manners. Don't worry if you're a novice, Everyone Can Code is crafted for beginners. But if you're familiar with Swift, Xcode, or iOS development, feel free to jump into labs and projects directly. Course structure and content. Central to Everyone Can Code are 5 guided projects, each progressively demanding. These projects ensure you grasp essential skills and concepts vital for app creation. Your final challenge? Designing and creating an app purely from your imagination. About the lessons. The course offers between 60 to 72 insightful lessons, each targeting a specific Swift or app development skill. Every lesson introduces the concept, sets learning objectives, identifies new terms, and highlights crucial documentation. These lessons are rich with concept breakdowns, example code, and screencasts. Concluding each lesson are labs and review sections, ensuring both application and comprehension. Swift-centric lessons dive into detailed concepts, with labs set in playgrounds, an environment where code comes to life instantly. Meanwhile, app development lessons introduce you to the Software Development Kit (SDK) and help you craft distinct iOS app features, often culminating in a mini project. About the projects. Light, a basic app teaching you Swift's foundational concepts, Xcode basics, interface builder, and essential debugging techniques. Apple Pie challenges you with a word game introducing Swift's various components and UI kit for interface creation. Personality Quiz lets you design customized surveys, teaching navigation tools and Swift's powerful features. List, an app that tracks tasks, allowing personalization for various uses, while teaching you about views and data management. Restaurant, an intricate app detailing menu items, complete with web service features, animations, and more. After mastering these projects, your challenge is to ideate, design, and architect a unique app.